Alright, today we're going to be working with endorsing and writing checks. If you've already read Chapter 5, Section 1, you'll notice that there's different spots where you're going to have you write your check out, and you're also going to fill out the information on the side here. What we need to do is, it says we're going to write the answer to the following problems in the working papers. So here's your working papers. And we are going to follow the examples, and we're going to authorize and sign the checks for the different lake accounts that we have here. So for the first one, what we're going to do is, if you look at number 1 here, here's number 1. All we have to do is we need to figure out A, B, and C. For A, it says we need to write a blank endorsement. So basically all you're going to do here is you're going to sign your name right by the X, okay? So right here, you're just going to sign your name, all right? We're endorsing here, all right? So this is on the back of a check. So if you were to get a check written out to you, you'd write endorse in order to deposit it, okay? So this is what we're practicing here. On B, we're going to write a special endorsement to transfer a check to Kelsey Slather. So what we're going to do is we're going to put pay to the order of, and then we would put down Kelsey's name, and then again you're going to sign it. Okay, so this is if we were going to endorse a check over to somebody. If they wanted to deposit or cash it for you, this is how you do it. Okay, our next one we're going to write a restrictive endorsement to deposit a check in the account for the lake accounting. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do for deposit only. Okay, so we're going to put for deposit only, and then we put down the lake account. And I'm just going to abbreviate here. And then again, we're going to sign it. Okay, so these are different ways to endorse your check. If you need to deposit it, if you need to pay it to somebody so that they can get money out for you, and also if you need to pay it to somebody else, all right, if you owe them money. All right, so now we're going to go down to number 2. It says that we're going to record the balance brought forward on the check stub number 78 for $1,805.75. So what we're going to do here is, if you look where it says balance brought forward, we're going to write in that amount. So we have $1,805.75. Oops, 75. Okay. All right. The next part it says we're going to record a deposit of $489 made on October 30th of the current year for the check stub number 78. Okay. So again, if you look here, here's number 78. So what we're going to do is we're going to record the amount deposited, which was for the 489. Sorry. So we're going to put down here, we're going to put 489. Alright, then we need to make sure that we put down the date, so we'll put 10/30. We can just put 15. Alright. Next step we're going to we're going to prepare the check stub and write the following checks. So we're going to use October 30th, the current year, for the date. And we're going to, basically what we're going to do now is we need to figure out how much money we're going to have. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to prepare the check stub. And it says since we're going to prepare the check stub and write the following checks to use on October 30th of the current year, we are going to make sure on A we have check number 78 to the corner garage repairs for $162. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill out the October 30th 2015, and then we are going to have corner garage and we're going to put it down for 162. So we're going to have $162 and 0 over 100. Okay, so that's the proper way how to write a check. Then again, we're going to sign our name, and we are going to put down repairs. Okay. Alright, so then over here we need to figure out what our information is. So we're going to have our subtotal, and how we're going to figure that out is we're going to take this plus this to equal our subtotal. So our subtotal is going to be 2,294.75, and then we're going to bring this down 2,294.75, and we need to put in the amount of this check, which is going to be 162. And then we need to subtract that to find our balance that's going to be brought forward to the next one. So this one is going to be, oops, excuse me, I put that in the wrong one, 162, and this one is going to be 2,132.75. Alright, our next one, we're going to look on check number 346, and we are going to make sure this one, next one we need to prepare a check stub and write the following checks for May 31st. And this one is going to be we're going to write the check number 345. Oh my gosh, I'm on the wrong one. We are going to prepare the check and write the other one for check number 79 to the state supply, or the street supply for supplies for $92. So here what we're going to do is, again, we're going to come up here, we're going to put down 92 so we know how much it is. We are going to have October 31st, October 30th, so again we're going to put 10/30, and we're going to bring this, what we have up here, down to here, so our balance brought forward is going to come from down from up here, so we're going to have 2,132.75, and then we're going to bring down our subtotal again, so 2,132.75. Okay, so we don't need to worry about anything that was deposited because they didn't tell us there was nothing deposit. So now we need to just write out the check. So we're going to put down October 30th, 2015. Alright, and then we're going to make it out to our street supplies for supplies. So we'll just put street supplies. And we are making it out for $92. $2 and 0 over 100. And we're going to sign it and put down supplies, so in our memo. Okay. Alright, now we need to just finish it off. So we know that our subtotal is going to be 2,132.75, and we know that our check amount was $92. So we're going to subtract these, and we're going to have the amount, or the balance brought forward, which is going to be $2,040.75.